Food production is evolving faster than ever. Are you ready to keep up? Hi, I'm John Stead, manager for the indirect channel in Europe for FlexLink. I've been in the company for 9 years, ever since I started in the FMCG and food industry as an application engineer.
And I am Gerard Puig-Juriol, Application Engineering Supervisor for West and South Europe Hub. I've been at FlexLink for 12 years, developing complete solutions for our customers.
What makes this industry so exciting? It's dynamic and constantly innovating. Every change you see on the supermarket shelves, whether it's new packaging or new products, to produce them requires smart and efficient solutions. And that's where FlexLink comes in.
Our modular, scalable and standardized flow conveying solutions make it easy to adapt production lines for the future upgrades or quality checks. We offer FIFO buffering systems for traceability and conveyors designed for hygienic waste time.
And because our solutions are built from tested and qualified components, our customers get reliability and scalability without reinventing the wheel. That's why FlexLink is a trusted partner in this industry. You know, one example I love. A cookie producer launched a new type of packaging that was tricky to handle. Together, we developed a solution that allowed us to protect the product flow and prevent breakage during transport, especially the first and last cookie in the stack. And now, every time I see those cookies on the shelf, I know we played a part in making that happen.
Another case, a customer reduced carton thickness for sustainability, but then made products harder to accumulate without damage. We implement a contactless buffering solution that improves efficiency and quality while supporting their sustainability goals.
At FlexLink, we combine people, tools and products to deliver the best solutions for our customers. If you're curious to know how we can support your growth, please contact us today.